everyone, welcome to our channel Code with Maras. So friends, in the previous video we set up the color CRUD operation, and in today's video we'll complete the brand part. So for the brand the process is actually the same. So I will quickly create the migration, create the model, creating the controller, setting up the route, and adding the uh, sidebar option, right? So I will just create brand. After that, uh, create admin slash brand controller, right? And create brand slash brand. Hit enter, right? So migration. In the brand part, we only have we have two options: text and image. So download table string. Text means brand name, and it should be nullable. And after that, we have to set up image. Let's save it. PHP artisan. I click hit enter. Now quickly create the things in the brand controller. So it should be same as home banner, as we have we also have one image over here. So I will just copy a few things from this to this brand controller. So brand, make sure it imports the model part as well. brand brand brand. So validator text, we don't need any kind of link over here. Brand, brand, just changing some of the part. Hmm, dollar request first, update, brand. Now we don't have any kind of link over here. So save it and also change this one, brand. Now just quickly add the fillable properties. So the fillable properties will be same except that link. Go to brand and hit enter, remove the link, and also I will also copy the brand part. I will copy all the thing. Brand. Sorry, not from the brand, from the home banner. Yes. Yes. No. So just simply remove the few things like create new brand, and we don't have third row, we only have two columns over here. Remove the link, remove the link. And so from this, on click this brands, brands. No, link. Remove this. brands, brands. Remove the link part. Thus we have to do some copy and paste thing. the link, also this link. Now all the thing is going to good. Just okay, accept all the things. We actually don't create that mm, brand part. So after 1 minute, just click on this. Admin, brand, brand, brand controller. This paste it over here. And one more thing, I think in the update part, we have to also set this, as it will update the color that we don't want. Just save it and refresh. Brand, create new brand, enter text like Eric does, choose image, I'll choose any kind of image, save image. The link field is required, okay. Brand controller, link field is required. Brand controller, but where we have the link? Save changes, I think. Brand to brand, id text image brands, refresh, create new brand, choose a text and save an image. Brand, I have to check from where this error comes. Save. So the payload is preview. It is going to the update home banner. So this is the main issue. It is actually going to the admin slash home banners. Admin slash update home banner. This this brand. Refresh. Select any image. Yes, save changes. Now the brand has been updated. Click on updated, so it automatically shows the data. So this is how we create the brand in very few minutes. So hope you like this video. If you like this, please do hit the like button and do subscribe our channel. Thank you.